Chalisi yimilira ombulire lwaki onnumya bulijjo netumya nga nkwagala nkufumirwe tukola amaka. Oli omuyimbi nyabo bakungambye simanyi bakuyita erinnya lye bamuyita Viola Nakitende. Viola Nakitende, you probably did not know the right owner of this song called Chalisi yimilira. I am the right owner of that song. I have the rights to it. I own that song. Oli yali publishing or publishings without my permission, and you went and recorded that song without my permission. So, wali badde onoonyako ensonga zino tetuzisolvinga.
Export TV to the world.
Hey, what's up my people? It's me, your girls and ladies C. Yeah, and since in Los Angeles, California, kati ensonga endese mbadde njagala ku clarifying about a certain song that is doing rounds on TikTok. Oluyimba lwo baluyita Chalisi yimilira. Okay? It goes like this. Chalisi yimilira ombulire lwaki onnumya bulijjo netumya nga nkwagala nkufumirwe tukola amaka. Yes, that is my song. Okitegera waliwo abantu abalutambuza nensanze nga balutambuza ku TikTok. Njagala kusooka kubeebaza. Mbozi tebankadde. You did a great job. Thank you so much. Ndabyeko n'abantu abalala ku mikutu nga mulutambuza bannayuganda mulutambuza nnyo. Bannange oluyimba lwosirwa kakati. I recorded that song in 1999. That was at the beginning of my music career. Okay? Nenduteekayo. Nalo recording wa Kasiwukira. Mwami ya mgenzi Kasiwukira. Producer gwe nalukana naye bali bamuyita Tim Kizito. Tim Kizito went missing here in the US. Omulala ya distributing oluyimba olwo bamuyita Tubro Productions. He was the original distributor of that song back then when I just started. Ngani mutonyo era nakalobozi mukawulira kali ka kito. And then I recorded my song. All of a sudden, recording enyimba nyingi. Na recording Ndoa went really, did really well in Uganda. And now this is one of my first original songs that I recorded when I was just starting music. All of a sudden, abana bagenze ne baluja mu archive. Ne baluteekayo. Clarifying that, nti omwami yaluteekayo bamuyita Tony Kalanzi. That guy used to work with me in a band. Nga omanyira ebintu webibeerawo oluusi bwe tuva Uganda abantu betumanyi batwala ebintu byaffe oba babibuzaawo oba they do some kind of things. Naye omwami oyo yakafa kya mukisa mubi nti yakafa era Mukama omwoyo gwe aguwummuza emirembe. But if I did not run into this video of Embozi Tebankadde, I would not have known that this song is out there. Kubanga sitera nnyo okubeera ku social media, like totally sitera nnyo okubeera ku social media. Every once in a while, I come and cruise on social media, but that is my music. I have lots of songs. By the way, now olupya kati olugenda okufuluma baluyita Komao. Okay, that's the new song that is about to come out. Komao. Era mbadde nsaba mupenge attention ku nyimba zange, following mwebali kusharinga. Ekintu ekirala kyenjagala okuputtinga out there waliwo omuyimbi nyabo bakungambye simanyi bakuyita erinnya lye bamuyita Viola Nakitende. Viola Nakitende, you probably did not know the right owner of this song called Chalisi yimilira. I am the right owner of that song. I have the rights to it. I own that song. Oli yali publishing or publishings without my permission, and you went and recorded that song without my permission. So, wali badde onoonyako ensonga zino tetuzisolvinga. Owulidde mukwano? Noonyako tuzisolvinge kubanga tekiba kirungi, kiba kikyamu. That is infringement, okay? That's infringement. Yeah, noonyako. Ekyo natwe tukole ki tukimale. So, yes, that is my music. A video mugirinde mujagiraba, and that's my old classic song. Ugandans do good music. Musicians, artists, whatever, do good music. You never know. Thank you, everybody.
Export TV to the world.